A lap desk is the ultimate work accessory for those who seek convenience and comfort while working remotely. With its portable and versatile design, it provides a smooth and sturdy surface for your laptop and other work essentials. And that's where our guide to the top 5 best laptop desks you can buy for this year comes in. As always, all the links to products you'll find in the description below, and let us know in the comments which tech-related topics you'd like to see in our next videos. Number 5. ISwift Pi. In the new era of remote work, finding a comfortable and efficient workspace is crucial. Introducing the ISwift Pi, a versatile lap desk and laptop stand designed to revolutionize your WFH experience. At just 0.2 inches thick and 40 ounces, this lap table is invisible and portable, allowing you to stow it anywhere or carry it like a file folder. But don't let its compact size fool you. The ISwift Pi is a rock-solid support system for your laptop or tablet. With a capacity of 44 pounds and 40 magnets built into the frame for extra stability, you can trust this lap desk to keep your device safe and secure. The ISwift Pi also features an adjustable and human-caring design with 3 angles of 60, 70, and 75 degrees to reduce the risk of repetitive stress injuries and improve your posture. Whether you're lying in bed, standing at your desk, or sitting on the couch, the ISwift Pi is the must-have accessory to take your remote work to the next level. At just $89, invest in your comfort and productivity with the ISwift Pi laptop table. Number 4. Saiji Laptop Bed Tray. Introducing the Saiji Laptop Bed Tray Table, the ultimate solution for working or browsing in bed. This fully assembled table is easy to use, with 2 auto-lock buttons on each side that allow for quick and effortless adjustments in height. The legs can be set to 5 different heights, ranging from 9.4 to 12.6 inches. In addition, 2 clamps on the surface may be used to adjust the angle, with 4 different angle options available from 0 to 36 degrees. The lap table is designed with a non-slip PVC leather desktop surface and even includes a handy drawer on the left side for storing accessories. This multifunctional table is perfect for use as a laptop workstation, a mini writing table, a standing table for office work, and much more. It is lightweight yet sturdy, with the ability to fold flat for space-saving storage and portability. Get your hands on the Saiji Laptop Bed Tray Table today and set up your laptop or writing workstation anywhere in your home or office. At an affordable price of $68, it's the perfect balance of comfort and productivity. Number 3. Lapgear Designer. The Lapgear Designer lap desk is the perfect accessory for anyone who works or studies from home. Its sleek and modern design is available in a range of colors and patterns to fit your personal style. This desk is not only stylish but also sturdy and well-made, ensuring that it will last for years to come. Its comfortable and cool surface allows you to work in comfort for extended periods, and it easily accommodates laptops up to 17 inches in size. Weighing in at just 2 pounds, it's easy to carry around or hang up thanks to the convenient handle. In addition to a phone slot and elastic strap for storing index cards or pens, it features a plastic laptop rest that keeps your device securely in place while you work. The Lapgear Designer lap desk is a fantastic value at just $29, making it an affordable and practical choice for anyone who works or studies from home. Number 2. Cooper Mega Table XXL. Experience ultimate comfort and functionality with the Cooper Mega Table XXL, the king of folding desks. With an extra-large surface measuring 25.6 by 19.3 inches, this laptop lap desk provides ample space for writing, working, and even playing games. Its non-adjustable 10.6-inch height offers a stable base that easily accommodates crossing legs. The Cooper Mega Table XXL is perfect for college students as it doubles as an ideal college dorm room essential. Its large size and sturdy build make it perfect for studying, writing, and working on assignments. The extra-large laptop desk also holds up to 88 pounds, making it perfect for supporting heavy laptops. This multi-purpose laptop stand can be used on the bed, sofa, or floor, making it an excellent home essential. It features a tablet stand, drawer, book holder, and curved bed tray edges. The non-slip legs and carrying handle make it easy to move around and store. Get yours now for only $74. Number 1. Rossy Home Media Bed Tray. Upgrade your at-home work or leisure experience with the Rossy Home Media Bed Tray, a multi-purpose solution for all your needs. Whether you're enjoying breakfast in bed or working remotely, this tray has you covered. With a full-width media bar, you can easily prop up your phone or tablet for easy access, while the lowered front edge ensures comfortable use for extended periods. The generous surface of 21.8 inches wide and 13.5 inches deep provides ample space for your 17.3-inch laptop and a mouse or multiple devices. The tray is perfect for writing, reading, or enjoying your meals in comfort. When you're done, the foldable legs make it easy to store in narrow cupboards or closets, display upright on your counter, or slide under the bed. Crafted from solid bamboo, it is a durable and sustainable choice that provides a hard, stable surface. Bamboo is resistant to warping due to changes in humidity, ensuring a reliable surface for years to come. At an affordable price of $39, the Rossy Home Media Bed Tray is a must-have for anyone looking to upgrade their work or leisure space with a functional and stylish accessory. That just finished our video. Which one is your favorite? Why not let us know in the comments below, and if you enjoyed the video, give us a like. If you want to see more high-quality videos, make sure to hit that subscribe button and you'll get the latest videos straight to your mailbox. That way, you'll never miss a future upload. See you in the next video.